Hey guys, Billy Joe here for Train Brains, and I just wanted to let you know that my refinery is all done, and I was going to show you the finished product. So I'm going to turn the camera around, and there it is. Pretty tall. A lot of piping, a lot of scaffolding. All those railings are made of brass, and it's pretty cool. So, and of course, along with any refinery, we need a storage tank. So, I'm building that next. So stay tuned. And when I get done with the tank, I'll show you that too. So, have a good one. Bye-bye.